Hi, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at elective maths Nigeria Wassce 2025 for May June, question number 10. And the question is on sequence and series. Now the question reads, given that 8 combination x, 7 combination x, and 7 over 6 into bracket 6 combination x form the 3 consecutive terms of an exponential sequence, GP. Find A, the value of x, B, the common ratio, C, the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence. So that's our question. You realize that this is a sequence and series, but they've mixed it up with permutation, so combination. So we need to find or apply some of them as we move on. So let's see. So the terms given here, the first term is 8 combination x. So 8 combination x is written as 8 factorial over 8 minus x factorial. X factorial. Then 7 combination x will give us 7 factorial over 7 minus x factorial, x factorial. Then let's also consider 6 combination x will give us 6 factorial over 6 minus x factorial, x factorial. Now, if you consider the sequence, we are talking about exponential sequence. And it's an exponential sequence, then we are going to do with the common ratio. So R is that we have 7 combination x divided by 8 combination x, which should be the same as this term or the third term over the second term, which is 7 over 6 combination into bracket 6 combination x all over 7 combination x. So this one being the first, second, and third term comes the second term over the first term, which should be the same as the third term over the second term. So now I've already explained that the 7 combination x is this. So we can have 7 factorial over 7 minus x factorial divided by 8 factorial. 8 factorial, you have x factorial divided by this one, which is 8 factorial over 8 minus x factorial, x factorial, and it should be equal to this one, which is 7 over 6 into brackets 6 factorial over 6 minus x factorial, x factorial, dividing this one, which is 7 factorial over 7 minus x factorial, x factorial. So that is how it will go. Now we come down to that. When you look at this one, this is dividing. So we have 7 factorial over 7 minus x factorial, x factorial. But when we talk of factorial, it means that this one will be multiplying or by reducing by 1 until you get 1. So 8 factorial can be written as, oh, this one will come up. Coming up should have been 8 minus x factorial. But 8 minus x can be reduced by 1. When you reduce this one by 1, you are going to have, so times this one, you're going to get 8 minus x. Then minus 1 will give you 7 minus x factorial, then x factorial, all over. This one also comes down 8 factorial. So 8 factorial, we can reduce that one to 8 times 7 factorial. So this part is done. Then we look at the second part. So the second part too, this one you have 7 over 6, 6 factorial, 6 minus x over 6 minus x factorial, x factorial. That one also times, I'm bringing this one up, you have 7 minus x. Then I'll reduce that one also by 1. So minus 1, I have 6 minus x factorial, x factorial, all over 7 times 6 factorial. So now I can have some divisions here. So with this factor will cancel that. This one too will also cancel this. This will cancel that. So we have 8 minus x over 8 is equal to, now when you go to this side also, this will cancel that. This one will also cancel this. This can also cancel that. Even 7 can also cancel 7. So we have 7 minus x over 6. So at this stage, we can just cross multiply. So cross multiplying that, we have 6 multiplying 8 minus x is equal to 8 multiplying 7 minus x. So we just expand. So we have 8 times that, we have 48 minus 6x is equal to 8, 7 will give us 56. 56 minus 8x. So at this stage, we can just group our like terms. So this one will come here, this one will go there. So 8x minus 6x is equal to 56 minus 48. So this will give us 2x is equal to, you have 8. Divide here by 2, here by 2. Therefore, our x is equal to 4. So our A part, our A, x is equal to 4. Now, when you go to the second part, B, we are asked to find the common ratio. And to find the common ratio, as I said, the ratio R is equal to, you can pick the first one, 7 combination x over 8 combination x. But we know x to be 4. So we have 7 combination 4 over 8 combination 4. So with this 7 combination 4, 7 combination 4 will give us 35. 8 combination 4 will give us 70. So 35 over 70 will give us half. So therefore, our radius is equal to half. Now, the C. The C is telling us to find the sum of the first 10 terms of the sequence. And to find the sum, the formula Sn is equal to A into bracket 1 minus R to the power n. It's minus because the common ratio is less than 1 over 1 minus R. But we know our A is the first term, and we know the first term is 8 combination x, and 8 combination x is known to be 8 combination 4, and that's 70. Then our R is known to be half, and n is what? 10. So we substitute that. So S10 is equal to 70 into bracket 1 minus half to the power 10 all over 1 minus half. So with this, you are going to get half at the denominator. So when it comes and you have 140 multiplying 1 minus half to the power 10. So with this, you have 140, you have 1 minus half to the power 10. and this one will give you 1023 over 1024. So multiplying 140, you are going to get 139.863. So approximately 139.86. And that is the solution of question number 10. Continue to subscribe to Francois Maths Class on all our social media channels. Have a nice day and bye-bye.